welcome back to the Noodle Bowl. We are so excited. We are doing our very first collaboration and we are doing it with
Fun Boy Coco.
Okay, it's Christmas time and you know, there's presents and mystery boxes, so we did a $20 dollar store mystery box exchange. Who's excited?
Me!
I'm so
Excited as frick.
I am very excited.
For those who are new to seeing our channel, please subscribe, show us some love, and click on that link down in the description so that you can see what we got them and show them some love too. Subscribe to them. They are an awesome channel. They're a vlog channel. They have an awesome little boy, just super fun. So let's see what we got each other. Special delivery! Wow. Oh, look at all these fun drawings that he put all over the box. Did you see the cute drawings? Oh, Santa hat! Oh, an elf hat!
For you. No, why me? It's for you.
Nope. Oh, another elf hat!
No, Matt, I should be Santa.
No, I
Oh, I'm seeing a trend here. I think maybe Noodle Daddy and Noodle Mom. There we go. Oh, Noodle
That's fine. One of you guys are elves.
Noodle Daddy will wear that one.
Me and you are Santa.
All right.
Ooh, they wrapped
Wrap
them.
it.
Gotta open
You can open it.
Yeah. Probably maybe socks.
Oh, it's a cute little penguin. You know that their child is a boy because they have the same kind of wrapping paper that we do.
Oh, he has chocolate.
Let me do.
Oh,
Giant
Let
candy
me
cane.
do.
Wow.
A giant. It's actually giant.
Aw,
It is mine,
super
too.
cool.
Oh, you get it. He also gets a giant candy cane, maybe.
Maybe it's a Barbie.
No, it's a candy cane.
Alright, let's add it to the box
Is it?
again.
Yeah, it is. Is it? Giant candy cane!
What?
Wait. That thing got a penguin.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, you get that.
Open. Ah.
Candy cane. Yep.
Woohoo!
There's a fly.
Hey,
Ready?
I know her.
This is amazing.
Oh, this one open.
Wait, that's mine.
Who should this go to?
No, not me.
Cole.
Not me.
Me.
Equally, it will be distribute.
I'm not cool.
It will
All
be
three of us.
yeah.
I'm not cool. All three
It's
of us.
chocolate go.
It'll be distributed.
You know that one word?
Man.
I had a present in my hand. Oh, it's a snowman.
No, it's a penguin. No, it's a snowman.
Snowman. Oh, little boy.
What does he get? Probably a reindeer. What do you get, boy?
It's
No, it's a what? No, it's a what?
Oh, you were right. It's a reindeer.
Oh, it's with a cute little face.
Oh,
Got.
I don't know.
Ready when it? Good. I bought that with the one diamond one. Oh, I got chocolate go.
Oh,
See? It is for everything. It is for room for Steve. I already have it.
I got chocolate go.
Is that everything?
trying to grab things.
Ooh, chocolate. Ooh. Chocolate coal.
Oh, that's you all get chocolate cold. It's fitting. It doesn't want to come up.
Oh.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Ooh, oh, this is heavy. This is heavy. Wait, look what Matthew got.
Right. See, you guys get to share those.
Oh,
Where are they?
I don't have my feelings.
They're balloons. They're a whack-a-pack.
Bojack surprise.
You guys.
Something like that.
Right.
I think I got chocolate.
There you go.
Big box. It's big box making it's milk chocolate. Whoa.
Oh, I got it.
Twist
Alright,
the season
alright.
to get cavities.
Since there are 4, we're gonna let Daddy whack it.
I want one. Wait, not yet. I know what it is.
Well, so that they can see what it does.
Well, I open it.
It's a
Can I
balloon.
open this? Yes.
I got it.
Awesome.
Wait, what?
Okay. Ah! I'm not sure that's what was supposed to happen. It was inside it. So this was not the balloon. The balloon was inside it. That's what exploded. It's a little candy balloon.
I missed.
Christian got it.
Oh, there it goes.
Noodle got
Matthew,
his.
smash it
Flip
hard.
up.
Little baby, get it.
Back
Hit it
out.
harder.
You can hit harder than that.
Ow.
We've all felt it.
Oh.
Ah, it's cold. Ah!
Penguin. Oh, watch. Watch. It's gonna pop. Ah! Is it?
The tension is palatable.
No, it's for the pot.
You may have broken yours, sir.
Have I? Wait, there's 2 in there.
No.
I broke mine.
No.
Oh!
You didn't hit it hard
You didn't
enough.
hit it all the way.
Hold up, let me hit it harder.
That's fine.
It's blowing up. Damn it.
Going up, you're gonna hurt it.
Have fun. All right. What did Noodle Baby get? He got a truck that says Merry and Bright.
I got a penguin. A Rudolph penguin.
Oh, wait, a Noodle Boy. I almost called the Noodle Baby. Sometimes, though, it fits him.
There's liquid in there, and I have a feeling that's a bath bomb.
He didn't even find me on that.
Open.
Ooh, it's cold.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool.
Feel it. It's cold.
Matthew, what'd you get?
Oh,
I have tic-tac-toe. I have penguin tic-tac-toe.
How fun.
What made it, babe?
Let's see that.
Guys, look. Penguin tic-tac-toe.
See what?
Whoa, look at this.
Oh,
It's just-
oh, you didn't know that happened.
Penguin tic-tac-toe, y'all. But look what I have.
So fun. How fun was this?
Fun. Very fun. Thank you, Fun Boy Coco. Thank you so much.
Oh, nice.
What can I try?
As you can see, they're having a blast with everything. You guys, thank you so much for watching this. This was so much fun. It's amazing what you can find at dollar stores and stuff. They're so much fun. Clearly, kids love this stuff. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you had a lot of fun watching this. We had a lot of fun. As I mentioned before, if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe. And as always,
Please smash that like button. And click right here to subscribe. And also click that little bell so that you don't miss any of our Noodle family action. Bye.
they want you to go subscribe. Go subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. What they said.
Thank you, Fun Boy Coco.
Apparently it was a competition for how long they could say